Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach us how to easily make our custard. So if you want to see how to easily make your custard, keep watching. So this is the brand of the custard I'm going to use. You can use any brand of your choice. Mine is Cane Bears custard powder and is that of banana flavor. So like I said earlier, you can use any brand of your choice. So that's, you can see the way the inside is. So what I did is just to scoop out the quantity of custard powder I need. I scooped out about 4 spoons. So depending on the amount you need, just go ahead and scoop it out. Then the next is to add water to it. Add water and mix it thoroughly. Make sure that the water is not much so that the thing it won't be watery. So you can see the consistency of mine. So this will just do. So after that, I'm going to get my hot water. It's already boiling, so I left it to cool. You can see I even opened up the upper part of the kettle to allow some heat escape. So that's it. If it's too hot, it's going to have seed, so make sure that it didn't boil very well. If it boils much, like I said, allow it to cool down a little bit. So after that, I went ahead and stir it properly. So you can see mine is very thick, so I went ahead to add more hot water. Like for people like my mom now, like this is perfectly okay for them, but me, I added more hot water. So it all depends on how you want yours to be. If it's too thick, just go ahead and add in some more hot water and then stir it. So that's just it. You can see the way mine is. It's just okay for me. It's just okay for me. So what I did is just to go ahead and turn it into a serving bowl. That's the plate I'm going to use to eat. So after that, I just go ahead, add my milk, and that's just it. So that's it. I ate mine with akara. So that's just it. If you learned something from this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Like, come your way next time with another interesting video. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.